Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on SP Apparels. Our analyst retains positive stance on SP Apparels with potential upside of 20% over the next 12 months. SP Apparel growth is expected to be driven by improved order booking in the garment business. Management has conservatively maintained its guidance of 14 to 15% revenue growth and 18 to 20% EBITDA margin for the garment business. Retail business is likely to report revenue of Rs 150 crore by FY26. With the scale up of new brands, EBITDA margin is expected to be at 7 to 8% by FY26. SP UK is expected to be on track in FY25 and deliver a strong performance in FY26 with operations in New London office stabilizing and the addition of new customers. The stock trades at an attractive valuation of 9 times its FY25 and 7 times its FY26 estimated EPS, trading at a discount to some peers amongst garment exporters. Next, we have an update on Intellect Design Arena. Our analyst maintains buy on Intellect Design Arena with a price target of Rs 920 as traction from eMAC AI gains momentum and due to improving funnel. The company secured strong Destiny deals win with major bank in India, cash management system, and also from a major bank in Central and Eastern Europe, core banking system, built on eMAC.ai recently. These Destiny deals are not only expected to drive revenues, but also come with higher margin profile and is thus expected to push the margin trajectory upwards. Further, the company expects margin trajectory to improve significantly in FY25 and FY26 as there will be no contribution from transitioning of lower margin, government e-marketplace and due to contribution from high margin large Destiny deals. We expect sales CAGR of 13% and PAT CAGR of 28% over FY23 to FY26. At the current market price, the stock trades at 22.9 times FY25 and 19.4 times FY26 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.